124 light-years from Earth, there is a planet covered entirely in ocean. Right now, scientists believe something is alive there, not because they found a creature, not because they picked up a signal. Because of a smell, there is a gas that living things breathe out. Tiny ocean creatures on Earth have been producing it for billions of years. Scientists detected this exact gas surrounding that distant planet, thousands of times more of it than all life on Earth produces combined. The gas is called DMS. If you have ever smelled the ocean, that sharp, slightly salty smell near the sea, you have smelled this gas. It is what tiny living things breathe out, and someone may be exhaling it 124 light-years from here. On Earth, DMS is made by tiny ocean life, creatures so small that 1 million of them fit in a single drop of water. When they eat, when they grow, when they die, they release this gas into the ocean. The ocean then releases it into the sky. This gas rises from the ocean into the sky, from invisible creatures at the bottom of the sea, all the way up to the edge of space. And here is the thing, no volcano, no rock, nothing without life has ever been found to produce DMS in meaningful amounts. That is why DMS matters so much. If you find it, something biological almost certainly put it there. And the lead scientist on this research, Professor Madhusudhan from Cambridge University, said something I have not stopped thinking about since I read it. He said, "There is no mechanism in all of science that can explain what we are seeing on this planet without life." He is one of the world's leading experts on K2-18b. He believes something is alive there. To detect DMS on a planet 124 light-years away, scientists used the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful telescope ever built. Launched in 2021, it can read the chemistry of a planet's atmosphere by watching starlight pass through it. Here is how it works. Every few days, K2-18b passes in front of its star. As it does, the star's light filters through the planet's atmosphere, like sunlight through colored glass. Different gases leave different shadows in that light. James Webb reads those shadows. In April 2025, the Cambridge team published their results. The data showed patterns that matched DMS and a very similar gas. The signal was detected at 3 sigma confidence, which means a strong scientific hint, but not yet the confirmed proof that science requires. If nobody has ever explained the universe to you this honestly, that is exactly what Scenario Mind is built for. Subscribe before we continue. For science to fully confirm something, it requires 5 sigma confidence, which means the probability of a mistake is less than 1 in 3 million. We are not there yet. But the signal has been detected twice, and the concentration was thousands of times higher than Earth's. But not everyone agrees. A separate team at NASA ran their own analysis of the exact same data. They found only a weaker signal, not strong enough by their methods to count as meaningful evidence. They concluded there is not yet enough to confirm DMS is really there. But then in 2025, something complicated this picture. Scientists found DMS inside comets, rocks of ice hurtling through space with no life anywhere near them, and inside interstellar clouds between stars, which means DMS is not exclusively made by living things, at least not in all environments. So where does that leave us? K2-18b is still the best candidate we have ever found. The signal is real, the concentration is extraordinary. The debate is about what made it, not whether it is there. And we have never been this close, not once in history. And here is what I keep coming back to. If even a fraction of what this signal suggests is true, if something is actually alive on that planet right now, then we have never been alone. Not for a single second of human history. We just didn't know it. The next generation of telescopes will resolve this. The extremely large telescope being built right now in Chile will look at K2-18b with 10 times the precision of James Webb. Within the next decade, we will either confirm this signal or rule it out entirely. Either answer changes everything. You just learned that scientists found a gas surrounding a distant ocean planet that living things on Earth produce and have no non-biological explanation for at those concentrations. The next question we are asking is harder. Follow Scenario Mind. What if K2-18b is not the only one?